everybody. This is PCMA TV. I am Carrie Fairneck with Convention News Television, joined by Mike Lyons with AIBTM. And we are so excited the AIBTM is coming to Orlando this year. Mike, tell us a little bit about what to expect.
Well, we too, Carrie, are very, very excited about being in Orlando. Of course, we were in Chicago this year. We had a great experience and a great show, but Orlando is a totally different destination for us with lots of fun and cool things to do in Orlando. Obviously, I think a lot of people know that Orlando was just voted by meeting professionals one of the top 3 destinations in a recent industry survey. And we're working very, very closely with Visit Orlando and all of the service providers in the Orlando region to put on a fabulous AIBTM, and we've got a lot in store for everybody this year.
I know you can't tell us everything, but there are some things coming back by popular demand. Tell us what folks can expect.
Well, you're right, Carrie. I think the one thing that was very, very successful that we introduced last year was the Refresh Zone, which was a concept whereby we have this area on the trade show floor that all the exhibitors and all of the professionals and hosted buyers can come and kind of take a little break to rejuvenate, to relax a little bit, play some foosball, get their headshot taken, sample some of the delicacies from the Orlando area. And it also gives the Orlando service providers the opportunity to showcase some of their products and services to all the meeting professionals that are coming to the show, so that when they bring their meetings or conventions to Orlando, they'll know who to be able to work with. So that's an exciting thing, the Refresh Zone. We're also very thrilled to be bringing back the Innovation Zone. Now, the Innovation Zone is really our technology hub, and this is an area on the trade show floor that's actually going to be a little bit bigger than it was last year in Chicago. And this is where we showcase all the latest, greatest, state-of-the-art technologies. There will be an app bar. We'll have some experts on hand to explain some of these new evolving technologies. So this is kind of see it, touch it, feel it, test it. And it'll also be an area where we have some speakers that'll be able to give very short presentations on some of these technologies that'll allow people to really learn in an environment that's conducive to finding out exactly what's out there in the technology world.
So we mentioned Refresh Zone for networking, we've got technology and education. Education is key, right? Tell us what to expect.
Of course, education is so critically important, and we do in fact have, as a lot of people know, a full day of education. It's the Tuesday, June 10th, the day before the trade show. And in partnership with PCMA, who provides a lot of the educational sessions with us, we have roughly 95% of our sessions are CEU accredited sessions. So for the meeting professionals that are coming to the show to really learn and to grow and to find out what are the new things that they need to know about in our industry, education is a critical part of that. And I think of that as one of the 3 legs of the stool. So we have the trade show, we have networking, and we also have the education. Well, we have some additional things that are happening this year at AIBTM, Carrie. One of them, which is a co-location with IMMPA, the International Medical Meeting Professionals Association, which is a new and growing organization. And we're going to be doing some education with them, but they're also going to be co-locating their conference and their certification. So many of those medical meeting professionals are going to be coming into AIBTM a day before AIBTM and then continuing on for AIBTM. So that's very, very exciting. Well, we were voted by Trade Show Executive Magazine the best hosted buyer program. So we were very excited about that, Carrie. One of the other things that we're doing is we've just entered into an agreement with ResearchTrack, which is a company that is providing the service to have meeting professionals be able to track their CEU accreditations. This has always been a manual process up until now, where ResearchTrack and AIBTM are partnering together so that all the people that are going to be coming to AIBTM will be able to do this over the web and be able to instantly gather their CEU accreditation information and keep it in electronic form, as opposed to kind of keeping track of it on paper and having to submit that down the road. So we're very, very pleased to be partnering with ResearchTrack.
And there is so much going on. Being from Orlando, we are so excited that you are coming to town. So Mike, we look forward to it.
Thank you, Carrie. We're excited too.
Absolutely. So I'm Carrie Fairneck. For all of us at CNTV, this is PCMA TV.